Welcome to another video. Now let's solve x here. Given square root of x raised to x equals to 2 raised to x plus 16. Solution. So we have x raised to x equals to 2 raised to x plus 16. Okay, first of all, let's understand that square root of something is same as that thing raised to power half. So we can say x the power half times x equals to 2 raised to x plus 16. Alright, so this one is same as x on 2. So it's same as x on 2. Okay, now the next thing is to bring the powers down. So I'll take natural log on both sides. X on 2. 2 raised to x plus 16. Let's confirm. Yeah. Okay. Now from here, we can say x on 2 ln of x equals to x plus 16 ln of 2. Alright. Now let's be very careful here. So we can say that x plus 16 times this. So we can expand that bracket here. That will be x ln of 2 plus 16 ln of 2. And this side x on 2 ln of 2. Okay. Now let's bring this one to the left. This. So we have x on 2 ln of 2 minus x ln of 2 equals 16 ln of 2. Alright. Now the fraction here is making the question or making the whole thing complicated. So let's dissolve this. And we can only do that by multiplying through by 2. Okay. So we have 2 times x on 2 ln of 2 minus x ln of 2. Oh, so this side is x, not 2. Okay, it's x. So minus x ln of 2 is closed. So equals to so 2 times 16 ln of 2. You want to balance it like this. The idea is to get rid of this fraction. Okay, so 2 times that, it will cancel. So that will be x ln of x. So minus 2x ln of 2 equals 32 ln of 2. Okay, now from here, when you have ln of x minus ln of p, so this one is quotient rule, ln of x on p. Okay, so we can say that before that, we can take the x out here. So that will be x out, ln of x minus 2 ln of 2 equals 32 ln of 2. So from here we can do that. So we have x ln of. So remember this one is a power rule. So that will be x on 2 to the power 2, that is equal to 32 ln of 2. So this one is coming from here. So this one come here, that will be ln of x to the power x. Okay. So we can say x. So we have x on 4, 32 ln of 2. Okay. Now, let's observe something here. X ln of x on 4, 32 ln of 2. Now, let's make this side and this side equal. So we can only do that by dividing 2 by 4. So that will be x on 4 ln of x on 4. See the point? This and that are equal. So over 4 will be 4, 8, 32. So 8 ln of 2. So we have x on 4 ln of x on 4. So now let's change this one. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8. All right. And this one can come here. So we have 4 ln of 2 to the power 2. X on 4 ln of x on 4. So what do you see here? You can say that, let me change the color. This one is the same as this. So x on 4 is the same as 4. Or ln of x on 4 is the same as ln of 4. So this one multiply x equals to 16. And if you want to go by this, so once we take anti-log, x on 4 will be 4, which will give us the same answer, 16. Okay. So we have this, okay, and the answer is 16. So once I plug in 16 here, this side will be 16. So 16 and 16 times half. So that will be 8, 16 to the power 8, and this side is 16 to the power 32. So 16 to the power 8. Now 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 2 is 2 to the power 4. Okay, 16 to the power 4 times 8, that would be 432. So equals that. All right, so thanks for watching.